Welcome to this Vision IDZ video to show you how to replace the ribbon sensor on a Smart 51 card printer. Hold the black securing clip between forefinger and thumb, and remove it by gently opening up the sides of the clip with a small flat screwdriver. Once removed, place the securing clip aside. The sensor can now be unclipped from the cable, and replaced with a new sensor. Clip the new sensor onto the cable. Secure the black clip over the sensor to lock it back into place.